schools that we've done health checks for in the past have found them really useful, because what it allows them to do is get a real understanding of where their current front of class technology is, and more importantly, what impacts that might be having on teaching and learning in the school. One of our specialist consultants comes to the school. It's really unobtrusive. We're in every single classroom for about 3 or 4 minutes. We have an iPad with us with a dedicated app that we created that allows us to take a look at the projector, the board, and we'll normally ask the teacher a couple of quick questions regarding their day-to-day experience of using the equipment. We take all of that information, we then produce it into a hard copy report, which we come back to the school at a later time and date with to present the findings with to the senior leadership. A lot of schools at the moment currently replace their equipment on an as and when basis, so if it breaks or it's no longer useful for them. However, what that tends to mean is you end up with lots of different brands, make, models and different age groups, which is really hard for a business manager to manage and maintain. So why are we doing this? All we ask is the opportunity to come in and present the findings and recommendations off the report to your senior leadership, and that you would consider using us as a partner for any future plans.